11, 10, 9, ignition sequence start.
The landing of the man on the moon years ago, television broadcasting was probably the most visible form of satellite broadcasting. The pace of change over the last decade has dwarfed anything we've seen in the 3 decades that preceded it. Just about everything we know about the satellite industry has changed.
In the first seconds after launch, you had that adrenaline pumping, but there is dead silence. Until 10 or 15 seconds after the actual launch, you hear the trembling of the building and the sound of all that power unleashed, taking our satellite into orbit. That's a feeling that you don't easily forget.
I like to believe that we all want to make a difference for the positive in this world. And doing that at SES is kind of easy because the fundamental thing we do is we connect people. Connectivity enables positive things for the people we connect.
We want to do incredible things together. We want to innovate together. We want to change markets together. And we want to change people's expectations of what you can do with a connected world.
I'm Rip Pinto, Chief Technology Officer.
I'm Nihar Shah, VP of Strategy and Market Intelligence.
I'm Warren Gabbett, and I lead a team in systems modeling and simulation.
I'm JP Hemingway, the CEO of SES Networks, and this is Close Up with SES.